Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news and celebrity gossip. Guys, today we are talking about Uthando Nestembo season 9. Yo, Angaz, I don't even know where to begin. Because yes, I had hope when they started going to the retreat, but they are going for a counseling, they need to fix things. Benson hoping it's okay, at least they are going to go to the retreat, have conversations and see where they went wrong and try to fix that. Also, I was hopeful because we're gonna professionals laphana. Ubab no sis Nonto. I had hope because at least Kunama professionals, they will try to guide them. But Gupi Lana. Because when they got there, and I feel like it made things worse than already in Chivele. It made things worse. Also, the good thing that came out of the retreat, Umakumalo no Mayeni, they were not seeing eye to eye. Umakumalo mentioned Kuma diary sessions. But not kuma diary sessions, she mentioned when she was having a conversation with her sister after the retreat. So she mentioned ukuthi her and Umayeni were not on good terms, but it was not that serious because obviously they managed to fix it. But Utige, during the retreat, they started talking, they started having conversations again, which is a good thing. The only good thing that came out of that retreat, because Sana, the rest kuningi, and I feel like Umacele is not meeting others halfway. Sana, she is not meeting them halfway. We are they are talking, they are having conversations, they are laughing. She just looks at them like she always wants to be the villain. Sana, and Umusamsele kunaye, he is not making things much better for them. He is not making this easier for them because okay is taking sides, and it's clearly showing Uguti he is taking Makele's side, or maybe he's taking Makele's side because he feels like Makele is being attacked in all of this. Maybe he feels like they're ganging up on Makele. Now after the retreat, Umayeni, Umakhumalo and Mangwabe, they went out, quad biking, trying to bond and stuff. Which, as I said, that's the only good thing that came out of the retreat. At least they are starting to form a friendship. But they didn't invite Umakele, and I know she was not even going to agree to go there. She was not going to agree. Like Umakele no Musa Mseleku, they were not there to find solutions, guys. Because it's a therapy session, so people are supposed to voice out how they feel. But they are just crushing them and crushing them. And now after the retreat, Makele is revealing good, yeah. When Musamseleku, you said you will not marry someone who already has a child, but Tumakumalo was pregnant before you and you married her anyways. What's up with that? Musamseleku, like Makumalo was right about Musamseleku. Musamseleku is a core narcissist, son. He just looked at Makele like, Makumalo was pregnant. I didn't know that. Haribo. Makele was like, okay, when Baba came and slim. Because clearly he knows, like, because they were going to the same church from Umakumalo, like Asasemngani. They were going to the same church. So Umakele is feeling good, as in this person is just making me like I'm talking lies now. I feel like Mselegu didn't want to talk about that, especially because they were talking in Makumalo's absence. So he didn't want to like talk about my personal issues waka Makumalo, After the retreat, sana kuvela izindaba eziningi, like the retreat made things worse. Now Umayeni is telling I think it's her relative, or yeah, maybe relative or a friend. So the friend came to visit Umayeni, and Umayeni was like, okay, she was just voicing out how she feels. And she was like, you know what? I really don't care what happens from now on. I am no longer interested, Tisana. I just hope Musam Seleku can just leave me alone and just take care of his kids. Only. That's all I ask for. As for me, I am sharp. I don't even want him initiating any intercourse with me because Sana right. I don't want anything to do with us anymore. Like, and Musa Msalek was not there to fix Kaizini because even when the therapists were telling him they would do this and that, you need to do this, you need to listen to your wives. I Gumatari sessions, he was like, I think ngithole abantu aba-wrong for lo msebenzi because they were not doing what he expected them to do. He wants them to take his side nje, all along nje, all the way and not point out his wrongdoings. So now he was not there to fix, he was there to just wanting to be right all the time. Like, yo, kuningi. Kuningi sana. After the retreat now, we come to a realization yokuthi Makhumalo had a child, and Umacele, I feel like Umacele has a personal vendetta against Umakhumalo, guys. That's just my personal opinion. Umacele, Umacele. And now it's going to be like we are all against Umacele. We are not, but stop exposing other people's businesses. If Umakhumalo wanted to share that with the show and with the whole world, I feel like she was going to say that, but she didn't want to say that, you know? And the way Umacele was talking, like as she was talking to Umseleku, the anger, guys, when she was talking about Umakhumalo, uh, now it's personal. It's really, really personal. Yeah, wazi ukuthi uMakhumalo, hey, unomntwana kodwa wamthatha. And this season, like it's really, really getting worse, you know, because we also discovered ukuthi uMakhumalo came there as a church girl, you know, bekashaya isigubhu esontweni. All of that we discovered through Umacele. Doing what? Exposing uMakhumalo. Like I feel like nje, there's a personal vendetta nje somewhere somehow because like each and every episode you are wondering what I wonder what Macele is going to say about Umakhumalo in this specific episode because she is revealing izindaba zikaMakhumalo like hot cakes sana. I I am really, really worried about Umakhumalo. I'm such a fan of Umakhumalo, guys, but yo, kuningi sana kuningi. As we keep on watching, we will just watch. But in the retreat, it made things worse. It made things worse, sana. Because now Umacele is saying that Makhumalo is taking her to the dark place that she fought so hard to get out of. Makhumalo is taking her back to her depression. And I'm like, Shukut Makhumalo was not supposed to have a say during our sessions here because Makhumalo and I said her part. And Makhumalo said Uguti. And I think it's valid Lenteshuwa Makhumalo guys, like it's really valid because in therapy session you are supposed to share things that don't sit well with you. We find solutions and then we talk it out and then we forgive each other, we move on. So Macele, because Makhumalo said things that she didn't like, Macele wa exploder sana wa explode, and I feel like she was supposed to explode during that session because she only exploded after the retreat. Masekahleli noMusa Mseleku, she was just exploding. Yeah, Makhumalo this, Makhumalo that. Qoqa abafazi bakho Musa, qoqa. Only because Makhumalo said ukuthi she didn't like what Macele said when she said ukuthi when bathi ke allegedly. I thought it's not allegedly. It's not allegedly because uyishilo almost fell. Naye uvumile ukuthi uyishilo and manje uthi yena she was just making a joke. Uthi uMakhumalo, Macele made a joke about my infertility, ne? But it's not infertility. Angazi fertility. Yes, fertility because Makhumalo is not infertile. So uthi uMakhumalo, I didn't like when uMacele made a joke ukuthi they took you in, okay, you got married so that you can have children and now bapha abantwana, and then she laughed it off, you know. So it's very very valid ukuthi ayisho sana. That's the whole point of therapy. But nje Okel didn't like that. Matele didn't like that. So I guess maybe they were supposed to be just there, sitting and just watching and not saying anything. I guess. Cause hey. Anyway, guys, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Tell me what do you think of Uthando Nesthembu season 9, because yes, this season I somehow feel like it's the last season. Ngoba hayi amabhomu ngapha nangapha, left, right and center sana. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below. If you feel like you don't want to comment, please just like the video, guys. Please like the video and also subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.